salaulain ng Kongreso yung ano na yan, yung mga budget na yan, ginamit yung program appropriation, inilagay po yung mga malalaki ang kickback.
Okay.
Pero yung unang impeachment complaint po yung kay Attorney Andre De Jesus, basura po yan, wala po yun.
Nung una kasi, yung impeachment complaint na tila'y hilaw lang ang napasa ng parang may koneksyong lawyer kay Liza or hindi lang talaga siya maayos gumawa ng impeachment complaint. You know, either way, makakatakas si BBM sa impeachment kung yun lang yung pumasok na impeachment complaint. Pero again, dahil nga nakapasok at to the rescue ang Makabayan Block, mukhang magiging konkreto at malakas ang kaso laban kay BBM.
In fact, I dare anyone, including and especially Congressman Erice, to present evidence that I've somehow interacted with the First Lady, that I know the First Lady, that I've spoken with her, that I've met with her, because if he's able to prove or present evidence to that effect, I'm willing to have my balls cut off. And he will need a hacksaw for that because these are made of steel.
Nawang sabi ni Sandro Marcos nung nalaman na tuloy na yung dalawang impeachment complaint, hindi niya raw yun haharangin. Para raw hindi magkaroon ng conflict of interest ay nag-recuse siya sa sarili niya. Not that he'd need to, dahil majority pa rin sa House of Representatives ang pabor kay PBBM or at the very least aligns with the administration, lalo na at again, yung anak niya nga, majority leader pa rin. Lalo na at fractured pa rin ang mga DDS at ang iba pang mga organisadong grupo.
Yes, maraming nagtatanong kung dahil ako ang majority leader, kung ano ang aking role. You know, we need to remind people, Congress is constitutionally bound to hear these cases for anyone, for any impeachable officer, whether that is the president or not. So, sa mga nagsasabi na baka haharangin niya yung impeachment or whatever, I cannot do that. And I have to perform my duty as majority leader and perform my duty to the Constitution and my mandate. And that is to say that I cannot stop any impeachment complaint from being referred to the floor or to any or to the Committee on Justice. We have to let the process. We have to go through the process rather. And again, the President in Malacanang has stated that he's confident na wala naman siyang ginawang mali. And I share the same sentiment. So I will not be stopping or blocking any impeachment video.
Nabalitaan niyo na po ba itong si Kong Sandro nag-inhibit sa usapin tungkol sa impeachment? Ano